target anyway. Just like one guy on the left. Meh. Who cares?
New target acquired.
I need to stand somewhere where I can engage at short ranges.
Same here.
So are you, Mess.
Bunch up together then, eh?
Well, we also
Target
have to.
acquired.
You just.
Stormcrow, Zulu.
Warning, incoming missile.
Also an LRM mech over there. Stormcrow only at lasers. UAV up.
Warning, incoming missile.
Someone shoot the UAV. Go for Zulu.
LRM destroyed.
Okay, there.
Left torso.
I suggest a Quaker.
UAV is out of range for me. Shooting at Yankee. Yankee lost many weapons, I can't stand fire any longer. Almost down. Down.
There's a bunch of
Artillery
UAVs near the
strike
gun, it
online.
seems.
Reactor
Oh,
online.
it's ours UAV. Never mind.
Sensors online.
Okay,
Weapons
taking out the 6K.
online. All systems nominal.
The wolf down.
I will go in a defensive position with the Wolverine 6K, because it's the last real firepower mech I have.
They're catching up.
Hotel.
Target acquired.
I'm still not trying to go for the jets.
Oh, there are so many targets.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I will try to circle around them.
Target destroyed.
Down.
New target
Yeah, down.
acquired.
Double hotel.
Bravo.
New
Careful.
target acquired.
There's a Hellbringer down here.
New target acquired.
Yeah, on Bravo. Yeah. Triple X. One leg almost down. Bravo down. Slings. Double Foxtrot. Almost leg.
Mine too.
New target acquired.
Down.
Yeah.
Okay, there was one Abrams Jaguar near the gates.
Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what they were really doing. I mean,
Well, they probably started screwing up at the first wave, and then they just decided to not stop. And good for us.
I think so too. Got at
So
least 4
I'm
kills.
left and got only left one arm.
Target acquired.
Just take out Golf and get out of here. We'll get out of here, hopefully.
Can't see him. Got him.
Target destroyed.
Huh? What? Go. Well, yeah, of course, I always shoot from the back in this mech.
Ooh, from the back.
Well, I didn't really shoot at his ghost rifle. I just go from the back and shoot the center torso. And most of the mechs really go down very fast.
Mechwarrior take his victims from the back.
And anyway, if you're going from the back, that means that it's easier to force them to brawl.
Okay, please stop talking like this.
You guys are just terrible.
Agreed. I'm brawling from the back. Okay, let's get back on topic.
Yes.
Incoming. Kilo,
Target
Stormcrow,
acquired.
at least 2 over
yeah,
there.
they're pretty screwed if they're not going for the generators. It's the only way they can win this.
Almost back. They're not firing anymore.
New target acquired. New target acquired. Warning, incoming missile.
Oh, last mech.
They're actually trying to go for the mechs. That's crazy. No, it's not crazy. It's crazy on their part, so, because we have each of us has 2 mechs. They have.
I'm
one
overheating
mech
here.
each.
I'm under heavy fire. They're swarming.
Artillery strike online. Reactor online. Sensors online.
You can't really be too
Weapons
late.
online. All systems nominal.
Oh, okay, so they are going for origins. Of course they are. Good
Target
thing I'm in
acquired.
light.
New target
down.
acquired.
Oh boy, we should really cover the generator
New
in
target
Omega.
acquired. Artillery strike online.
Buddy in your channel timed out.
Artillery strike activated.
Okay, forget the guys for legs.
They only have 4 left.
But one of them is assault. Sierra, kill it.
New target acquired.
Umbrella on it.
New target acquired.
Nice kill. Woohoo!
It's disturbing how close they actually were anyway,
Yeah.
despite
Buddy entered your
sucking so
channel.
hard.
I'm sorry. I
Cleanse
disconnect.
OP.
Oh.
Ah, okay.
Our lens kicked ass. Yeah, 400,000. Money I can use.